In this video, we're going to be talking about the last part of the listening exam, which is section 4. This part is often said to be the most difficult. However, it depends on your own personal English ability. This part of the listening exam is again a monologue, which means one person is speaking. However, the language used in this part of the exam is academic, and the person will be speaking about something academic. The person will not pause or take a break between questions. This means that you generally have to listen for a longer period of time. Don't worry though, because part 4 is designed to be difficult, so it's not just you that thinks it's difficult. Here are my tips to conquering this part. Well, pretty much everything that I've offered in the previous videos. They may pull all sorts of types of questions here, so my biggest tip is pay attention. You will have a lot of words to read and a lot of audio to hear. So pick keywords. Don't feel like you need to read all of the words. Relax yourself and try to get an overall meaning of what the audio might be about.